Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Srinivasan C Shop developer. This is the video tutorial of Dapper C Shop playlist, and in this video I am going to show you how to insert the collection of records. So in the previous video I just explained how to insert a single record into the table. So now we are going to insert the collection. Okay, so yeah, let's get into this. So for that I'm going to use this form, and we are going to fetch the values first from the table, and we are going to simply change the bill numbers, and we do some new value changes, and we will insert by clicking on the insert button. So for that we need to write some code, right? So so we are going to get the collection of bills from the data source, actually data source. Okay, and now um, connection object, execute method, and we need to write a query, actually insert into bills table values. So values at bill number, at bill number. So in the last video I just gave for all the columns I just gave only 2 or 3 letters, right? So but here, so we are going to pass the bills object, we are going to pass the collection as a parameter object. So we need to specify what we have, what we have exactly, what we have in the table. So bill number and at bill number. So at is, it's not a problem actually. At the Dapper will detect that column is bill numbers even if we specify at the rate. So at rate is it's useful for SQL injection, right? So for that I just specified. And now bill number at bill date, sorry, at customer, at address, at item count, at bill amount, at paid paid amount, at balance amount. Yeah, that's it. So we are going to pass the collection as a parameter object. So you can see the second one is parameter object. Parameter, so we just pass the collection which holds the new values to insert into the table. Okay, so now I'm going to fetch. So we just fetched all 3 rows because we have 3 rows here in the bills table. So now I'm going to change 4, 5, 6 because we cannot give the same number which already existing in the table, right? So date, it's not a problem, and already we have customer 3. So customer 4, customer 5, customer 6, and address is address 1, address 2, this is just for demonstration purpose, so I just want to insert the collection. So 1 1 1, so the values is not necessary actually. 100, 200, 300, known paid. So balance is 100, 200, 300. So yeah, these three rows we are going to insert. So this is the actually collection. Actually this is the collection. We are going to hold the collection in the variable here, right? So we are getting the collection from the data grid view, and we are just passing that collection as a uh, parameter object. Okay, yeah. So let's see whether this how it's working. So just give a breakpoint. So I'm going to press the F10 here. Yeah, you can see the result is 3 because 3 new rows are inserted, right? So let's see the table. Yeah, 4 2 4 5 6. So we can, this is how we can insert the collection of records into the table using Dapper C Sharp. So I hope you can understand this tutorial. um, yeah, in the next tutorial I will come with a different topic from Dapper C Sharp. Thank you, thank you friends.